Introduction to KeyScan's KS-NAS Backup Server line of products. During the month of June 2015, KeyScan is offering exceptional promotion prices for its KSNAS Backup Servers line of products. KSNAS 12, a home office and small business basic system solution, promotion starts at $249. KSNAS 120, a small and medium-sized business basic system solution, promotion starts at $349. KSNAS 200, a medium and large size business basic system solution, promotion starts at $15.99. The above offers are limited to up to 2 products per KeyScan customer. Limited quantity is available. Promotion will last either to the end of the month of June or until all promotion units are sold, whichever comes first. KSNAS hardware details. The KSNAS backup server models can be configured for a wide range of hardware performances and needs. It can have single or dual mini ITX motherboards on some models. It can have a wide selection of CPUs from dual-core Intel and AMD to quad-core Intel i7 and Xeon, and up to low-power 8-core Intel Avoton C2 750s. The internal DDR3 DRAM ranges from 4 GB up to 64 GB on some models. The KSNAS backup server products are equipped with a wide range of I/O ports such as multiple LAN ports, Wi-Fi, multiple monitors, DVI and HDMI and VGA, audio, eSATA, USB. Some models have only a subset of these ports. The KSNAS server's LAN network connections can reach speeds of up to 115 megabytes per second while transferring large files. The KSNAS server one-click setting wizard can let you start a new server installation in a few minutes without deep knowledge of networking or the server internals. Yet, the KSNAS server management web browser-based application includes a complete set of tools for a detailed manual setup of each of the included servers and functions. The KSNAS backup server lets us perform manual backup sessions or use the KeyScan Unique Backup Manager for scheduling of automatic backups. The Backup Manager is comprised of 3 parts: the Job Execution Manager, the Task Scheduling Manager, and the Backup Monitoring System. The Job Execution Manager enables us to set up multiple jobs, each contain daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and activate the scheduled backup tasks automatically as background processes. The Task Scheduler is an easy-to-use web browser, calendar-based task scheduling user interface that lets us drag available backup tasks to the monthly calendar for daily, weekly, and monthly execution. The Backup Monitor is a background process with a web browser interface that lets us view the executing backup tasks and their progress. The KSNAS Backup Manager allows us to define data sources where the content to be backed up resides. These can be preset user category folders, such as documents, music, videos, and others. It can also be extended storage on the KSNAS tray drives, or shared folders that the other systems share on the local network. The KSNAS Backup Manager allows us also to define backup media, where the backup files will be saved. In addition to the backup functionality, the KSNAS server is equipped with a wide range of servers and tools that can be activated according to your network needs, and can be supported by the high-performance hardware infrastructure of the server. The KSNAS backup server lets you select from multiple backup models. The Dynamic Backup Model. This backup model allows you to use the KSNAS server private cloud settings to sync remote and local network desktops and servers with the KSNAS backup server, so the local KSNAS server folders are kept updated with the remote systems folder's content as dynamic backup. It also uses the KSNAS Backup Manager to perform scheduled backups of the local dynamic folders as snapshots of the remote system's backup. The Backup Data Sources Model. This model allows us to have local network desktops or servers update their content to be backed up on the shared folders on the network. Then we can set up these network shared folders as data sources for the KSNAS Backup Manager scheduled backup tasks. We can protect the shared folders by limiting the access permissions to the folders. The backup data source model is where the shared folders reside on the KSNAS server and shared with the required clients, instead of setting them on each of the clients. This setting enables us to save client storage and save network traffic. The KSNAS backup server lets us optimize the backup process by selecting the proper backup model for the required backup task. For example, large database files that are being updated frequently, such as local email database files, which you should not include on a dynamic backup since this may result in blocking your network. Instead, schedule these files as data source backup for late night, early morning, or noontime tasks. On the other hand, smaller document files should be set as dynamic backups to make sure they are always updated and only the modified files are transferred for backup. The KSNAS Backup Server Task Scheduler web browser-based user interface. On the left side, you have the list of available backup tasks that you can schedule by dragging and dropping to the right side monthly calendar table. The KSNAS Backup Server Task Execution Monitoring page and Backup Tasks Log page enable us to view in real time the executing tasks and their actual progress. We can also view the log of all existing backup files and their details. The KSNAS server is equipped with a private cloud application, OwnCloud. It enables the other desktop and server systems to synchronize their local folders over local and remote network connections. This synchronization process generates dynamically updated backup folders on the KSNAS. The dynamic backup folders are set as backup data sources for the backup manager for long-term backup files. The KSNAS server includes a web browser-based file manager, PYDIO application that lets us access our file system remotely using a web browser, view, update, upload, and download files from our personal folders. The KSNAS server comes with a KeyScan Unique Storage Manager web browser-based application. The KSNAS storage system is a highly flexible layered storage system. It is built of a virtual storage system over a physical storage system. The physical storage system is the KSNAS tray hard drives as the bottom storage layer. The hard drives are partitioned into up to 4 partitions each. We may set RAID drives over the hard drive partitions. The virtual storage system is based on the Linux Logical Volume Manager, LVM. The virtual hard drives are called logical volumes and are instantiated by assigning them actual physical storage space in the form of RAID or partition drives. The virtual hard drives can be expanded easily by assigning to them more physical drives. The virtual drives are partitioned into virtual drive partitions called logical volumes. The KSNAS server lets us assign additional extended storage per user category folders such as documents, music, video, and others. The extended storage is allocated as user folders on the virtual partitions and is linked to the basic user category folders as subfolders to extend their space. The extended user storage folders are created per user storage category, such as documents and music. These folders can be enabled or disabled for sharing over the local network and for synchronization over the private cloud. We can set the extended user storage folders access permissions per each user defined on the KSNAS server. The KSNAS server includes a web browser-based hard drive status monitoring viewer, system status viewer, and network monitoring tools. The KSNAS server includes an integrated Microsoft Windows-like desktop interface. We can use the remote desktop tools to view remotely open desktops on the server. You may activate the KSNAS Multimedia Center, the XBMC application, to view and listen to multimedia files on the KSNAS server desktop. You may also activate the KSNAS Multimedia Server to serve streaming media to other systems. The KSNAS server includes a webcam security application that lets you view multiple connected webcams remotely. The application also includes advanced event-driven task options. The KSNAS server is equipped with advanced server security options with a single web page control system to get you a concentrated view of the security settings. You may activate the KSNAS server local firewall for additional server protection. You may use the built-in Certificate Manager and Certificate Authority. We can activate a variety of available network servers such as DHCP, DNS, Thin Client, SSH, and more. The KSNAS server contains an integrated desktop system that lets us connect dual monitors, keyboard, and mouse to log into the server locally using Microsoft Windows-like user interface. The KSNAS server lets you run Microsoft Windows applications in two modes: install Microsoft Windows Virtual Machine and have it run the required applications, or install some Windows application under the Wine option that can run those applications natively under the Linux operating system. The KSNAS server is an advanced backup server with a wide selection of additional server tools. The advanced and high-performance hardware infrastructure allow it to run multiple tasks in parallel without compromising the task's performance. The KSNAS server line of products allow us to select the optimal small office integrated backup server we need.